On speculation and information flying around all for Adukẹ Gold, with false information spreading around. I'm with Pastor Ajayi. He's here to give us clear information on what happened to Adukẹ Gold. Please, sir.
Yes, my name is Pastor Ajayi. I'm elder brother, like father to Adukẹ. We are from the same father, but different mothers. And I started to nurture her from the year 92 to be precise. No, 93, after the death of her dad.
Okay.
And from secondary school to the university level.
Okay.
It's unfortunate we have experienced sudden death. We held the meeting. Okay, thank you. We held a meeting with the family, and our decision is that the burial will be coming up coming Friday, which is the 23rd of August, this particular month.
Okay. And
there are programs that are outlined. On Wednesday 21st, we were having a candle night from 6 p.m. and the venue or the takeoff point is Ayonle Primary School along College with Fakojayi. It's just directly opposite the African Church Cathedral.
Here in Lagos?
Here in Lagos.
Okay.
So directly opposite the African Church Cathedral.
Okay.
Then on Thursday, which is the second day, we're having the artist night. That's from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. at the same venue, which is Ayonle Primary School.
Okay.
Then Friday, which is the final day, that's 23rd of August, we're having the burial service at the what's it called? The hall. That's a hall situated within Lagos African Church Grammar School, Lafro Grams, Fakojayi.
Okay.
So once you get to the college bus stop, we have African Church Model College. Beside it, we have Lagos African Church Grammar School. So that's where the burial service will hold.
Okay. Based on information spreading around, some people are saying, okay, Adukẹ Gold died of operation. Maybe she did a surgery. So many informations around. So can you please clear the air on what really happened to Adukẹ Gold?
Yes, she was healed. She had cervical cancer, and she was taken to UCH in Ibadan. That's University College Hospital in Ibadan.
Okay.
And unfortunately, she died. But we've gotten the death certificate. So whoever is saying what is not, you should just stop that. Her daughter was healed. She had cervical cancer, and to the glory of God, she rested on Monday. That should be the 12th, if I'm not making a mistake.
Okay.
The 12th of August.